Back to my video. Today I have my assistant here. We are going to do this lipstick. And these, I never know, but this is my friend. So I'm going to do the beautifulest show. And this is Friday's Scary Day. So now we tell stories. Now, friend. And you never met this. Our Toy Hero fans. Guys, comment down below if you think my friend is beautiful. And she is married to this guy. His name is Pampy. I just call him that. And she is married. So, we're going to do the lipstick and the eyeshadow. Where is the eyeshadow? Oh, yeah, right here is the eyeshadow. And this is hilarious. They have a little Frosty the Corniness Noosa. Look how small it is. You can even see.
Okay.
Well, I can't. Let's get it. Okay. So, let's do the lip gloss and stuff first. So let's put the pink one on first. We put the pink one on, and then we're gonna put this.
Oh my goodness, look how pretty that is.
Okay, now this beautifulest part is this. It makes it really lippy. So you just push it up.
Okay, let's try this area. Now, smooth them out. Good job. Look at those beautiful lips.
Look how big they are.
So pretty. Those are fancy lips.
Now we're gonna spray it onto there. Okay, now let's put the eyeshadow on. That's the favoriteest part of my day. So, okay, so here you go. Okay, which one do I want? I'm gonna do this one and this one. That one and this one.
Look how beautiful she is.
What was your guys' favorite part? Comment down below. Do you like the eyeshadow? Or do you like the lipstick?
I like
Comment down below which one do you guys like. You can only pick one or two. Which one do you want? Can you tell the difference as us? Do you see lip gloss on her? Yes, you do. But do you see glossy on me?
Yes, I do.
Comment down below which one of the lipsticks sees better on one of us together. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on Scary Monty Day. I love you guys and I think you guys are gracious. I hope you guys please subscribe to this video. I love you and I think you're the bestest too. And thumbs up. If you guys do a thumbs down, it's fine. And subscription down below, you hit that and hit the notification bell to be our #1 fan.